So, how to fix the black screen problem on your Instagram? Hello guys, in this short video on this day, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. All what you have to do to fix the black screen problem on your Instagram is very easy. Just open the settings page on Instagram, the settings on your phone, and then go to the apps and then go here to the top, click on apps, and now all what you have to do here is wait a few seconds. It will start loading like this, and then after it will get loading, scroll down until you find Instagram. After you find the Instagram app, click on it easily like this, and then go to the power usage details option, and then right here all what you have to do is disable the power consumption alert and enable it again. Go to the app launch and make sure it's on manage automatically. Go back, click on force stop, and then now restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.